paper, box, charger, paper, strap, charger piece, camera body, charger, camera body, Nikon Z5. Hello good people, I am in Pensacola, Florida, and I am going to the camera store. Yeah, surprising, huh? But Nikon is doing the test drive, the Z5 for like $50. So why not? I will create a review on it, and I'm gonna use it all week, and create a bunch of stuff all week, and let you know how it is, and if I like it or if I would get it. But I've kind of already made my mind up, and I'm not going to get the Z5 because I do a lot of video, and the Z5 video features just doesn't cut it for me. But I'll take it through its paces. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're here. All right, let's go pick up a Z5 for a week. How are you? I had called a few days ago about doing a test drive for the Z5. So at this point, the box said a $5,000 deposit, but that wasn't right. I don't know why that was there, but we figured it out and we got it rolling. So that's not going as planned. If there's a $5,000 deposit for a $1,300 camera for 1 week, it will stay here, and we won't do the test drive. Okay, so let's try again. So obviously we figured all of that $5,000 thingy out. Okay, let's fill some paperwork out. That's fine, but the upgrade of 2021 is on the way.
That's true. Just check them out.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice to meet you as well. What was your name again? Lindy? Wendy. Thank you, Wendy.
You're welcome.
Have a good day. See you soon. And we have a Z5. So we're gonna get video review, photo review. This is real world testing. We don't just go pick up cameras to test them for YouTube. We real world test them for use case, usability, user Z5. Man, I remember the days you can go in Walmart and find what you needed. Now it's like a wild goose chase to find anything. Not even what I need, just anything. Where are the SD cards? Okay. No, where are the good SD cards? Don't want that. Don't want that. Don't want that. Nope. 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 So I have no good SD cards. That was a waste of a trip.